In today's video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the adware that attacks Mac computers, and this time the adware is called IntegerLocator. IntegerLocator is a rogue application that we discovered while researching new submissions to the VirusTotal database. After analyzing this piece of software, we found out that IntegerLocator operates as advertising-supported software, or briefly as adware. It also belongs to the adload malware family. It is worth mentioning that this particular adware may require the browser or system specifications or some particular geographical location to be compatible. It may also require visits to particular websites or some other similar factors in order to run intrusive advertisement campaigns. However, whether you see ads by IntegerLocator or not, the presence of this adware on the system is extremely dangerous for your entire computer. Because adware displayed advertisements endorse untrustworthy or even harmful sites and software, they may point you to online scams and even malware installation. So some intrusive ads can even stealthily download and install software, malicious software, upon being clicked. So if you see this IntegerLocator on your Mac computer, what you should do is to go to your Finder, check your applications. When you find this IntegerLocator on the list, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend that you additionally research your Mac computer and its safety with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, then click on Start Combo Scan button to begin the research of your computer. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. So the program is initially in the trial mode, but it has got certain absolutely free features such as disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. You need to wait until the scanning is completed. The scanning duration might take several minutes depending on how powerful your computer is. Also, it might depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it might also depend on some other factors. Anyway, at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of these threads. You may click on Review Results button. You'll see their location on the system. We do recommend that you upgrade to Premium because this is the best way to keep your Mac computer free of any other malware and always protected against other malware attacks. And you may find the detailed guide in the description for the video.